President of Pakistan confirms Nishan-e-Imtiaz military on Chinese defense minister. Turkey orders detention of 82 military personnel over suspected Gulen links. Joe Biden declared winner after recount of votes in Wisconsin state. The United Nations appeals for $35 billion for global aid in 2021. In Yemen, 2 children have been killed and 11 others injured during Houthi rebel shelling. UN chief calls for greater inclusion of persons with disabilities in society. 6 Daesh militants killed in Iraq. Police raided homes in 3 German states early Tuesday after the German government banned a far-right group.